First off, I want to thank you for watching. And I really wanted to come on today to talk about the NFT and really to give us something to think about, because last time I was on here talking about how the digital artist Beeple made $69 million selling digital assets and the NFT, non-fungible tokens. And that's one side of the story. And now it is important for us to understand why this is important for accounting, to understand these assets and this asset class. Just as important as it is for us to understand virtual assets, those are still digital assets. So we're looking at a different category when we talk about NFTs, and primarily around the art side of things. And I wanted to give another perspective, or really something for you to think about as we go through the week. And that is, many artists are giving pushback for NFTs. They're not for it. They don't think it's a good thing. And they don't think it works well in their favor. So this is another side of the story. So there's the good side, and where we hear about this $69 million and hundreds of thousands of dollars being made by selling digital art or videos with NFTs. On the flip side, you have artists saying this is not a good thing. So the reason I'm bringing this up is because I talk about the importance of the NFTs and understanding it as an asset, a type of asset, and we're in accounting, so we need to understand how this will impact us, but also we need to understand the pluses and the minuses of it. And I'm going to leave that to you to further research and dive into it. And the point of this video is to just give that perspective, give that insight, spark that flame, and to get you thinking about not only, wow, people are making millions of dollars, this is great, but also this may not be a great thing for everyone, and why, and how this impacts the marketplace. We need to understand that as well to get a full perspective and point of view when we're sitting down with a client, when we're sitting down with a company. So when we're looking to advise someone, for our own understanding, when we read about this, and so and as educators, so we can stay two steps ahead and talk to our students about it, and not only give them one side, but be able to give both sides of the spectrum. You know, because you got black, white, and then there's gray. So we want to be able to understand everything with the NFT. So that's why I brought this video, give you something to think about and to research further. If you like it, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.